about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. It's time to teach you a vocabulary that you can use every day. 其实这个单元呢是希望呢把客家话生活化，然后在任何无时无刻的时候呢就可以应用到哈。所以呢有一个东西也是每一天我们都会接触到，我们都还没有聊。
还没有聊，
还没有聊是什么呢？
天发，
哎，对，
互相通电话。
Exactly. You know, we haven't taught you how to say words that are related to the telephone in Hakka too much because we use this every day, every minute, every hour for sure. So let's go ahead and teach you some terms, okay? 就跟电话有关的一些词。第一个当然就是要打电话啦。Okay? When you make a call, what do you say?
打天发。
啪啪啪要打电话 right?
大天发。
大天发 okay? Actually, in Mandarin too, when you make a call, the term you use is to hit the telephone, but it really means to make a call, okay? 其实中文也是一样，打电话啊。造个句好了。打电话订便当。I'm going to use the phone to order lunch.
大天发听偏懂。
打天发听偏懂。
Yeah.
哦，就订便当那样子。
对。
Okay, lunch box. I'm going to order some lunch boxes. 好。
打电话的海陆腔。
哦，好。
打天发。
打天发 Okay, that's a different dialect for making a call. 打完电话之后呢，最痛恨的就是看到电话费。
好贵哦。
Yes, when you make a call, you got to pay the bill at the end of the month. And with cell phones today, it could get expensive. 所以电话费怎么说呢？
天发费。
天发费 Okay, that's the telephone bill. Okay, let's make a sentence. 忘了缴电话费。
记得缴天发费。
记得就是忘掉了，不记得了哈。记得 that means I forgot.
缴天发费。
缴天发费 Okay, that I forgot to pay the bill. All right. And finally, let's teach people how to say cell phone. Okay, mobile phone. 这个行动电话怎么说呢？
手机耶。
手机耶。Okay, 我的行动电话没电了。
我的手机耶没电呢。
我的手机耶没电呢。Okay, that means I ran out of batteries on my cell phone. Okay, let's review these terms. 打电话 make a call.
打天发。
打天发 the telephone bill 电话费。
天发费。
天发费 and then the cell phone 行动电话。
手机耶。
手机耶 which is 手机。There you go. That's some practical Hakka for you.
什么太感？
俺只 say 张来了 Call me again 哦。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.